Gardening on a slope areas is a bit challenging, but it doesn't have to be an uphill battle. On the contrary, hillside landscaping is as much an opportunity as a challenge. This video is going to share an amazing low-maintenance ideas and plant combinations that brings year-round interest for hillside landscaping. Some plants are more suited to hillside climates than others. In particular, plants with dense roots do the best job of holding the soil in place. Here I am going to share in this video different sets of plants that goes really well for slope area landscaping. Ornamental grasses are excellent for slope areas, as they help with erosion control, are low maintenance, and add texture and movement to the landscape. Ornamental grasses are not only functional, but also bring seasonal interest and elegance to slope areas. Check these colorful and wonderful ornamental grass styles, their names. If you are enjoying the content of this video, please drop a like to this video for channel support. Thank you. Evergreen ground covers are ideal for hillside areas because they provide year-round greenery, help prevent soil erosion, and require little maintenance once established. Choose the ground covers in different shades of contrast colors, such as gray-green, light gray, and lime colors to elevate the visual interest. Blue rug juniper, lemon ball sedums, white album winter creeper, golden Pacific juniper, and purple heart are some of the popular ground covers to bring best landscaping appeal. Flowering shrubs. Add a dramatic look to hillside landscaping by adding low-maintenance flowering shrubs. Flowering shrubs are a wonderful choice for slope areas, as they not only add beauty and color, but also help with erosion control due to their strong root systems. There are many options for colorful flowering shrubs to choose from, such as azaleas, butterfly bush, knockout roses, and Pierce japonica are few popular choice for landscaping. Evergreen shrubs. All-season shrubs are ideal for hillside landscaping because they provide year-round greenery with almost zero maintenance. And with strong root system, they help in controlling soil erosion. Evergreen shrubs comes in different sizes, textures and growth habits. Sunshine ligustrum, crimson fire loropetalum, boxwoods and gold cypress are popular ones. Add boulders between the evergreens to add dramatic appeal to the landscaping. If you want to add a bit of privacy and year-round interest to slope areas, upright growing plants are truly perfect, as they add height and structure to the landscape, while helping with soil stabilization. Add small to mid-sized flowering plants and ground covers, in between or in front of upright evergreens, to add elevated look. Blue arrow juniper, emerald green arborvitae, pencil tree and forever goldie arborvitae are few popular options for upright growing plants. Flowering perennials. Long-blooming and low-maintenance flowering perennials are perfect for slope areas because they add beauty and color while helping with overall landscaping structure. Check out these some of the wonderful perennials goes well in slope areas. There are so many perennial varieties available from garden centers. Choose the plants to elevate the color combinations, easy to grow, and drought tolerant for hillside landscaping. Here I am sharing few popular perennial plants that brings value for the every dollar spent. Non-flowering foliage perennials are excellent choice for adding texture, color, and structure to a slope areas, planted along with other evergreens. These plants typically require low maintenance, and they help stabilize the soil. Here are some great non-flowering foliage perennials that work well in hillside landscaping. Thank you for watching House Talks channel. For more interesting garden ideas, please subscribe to the channel. A new video will be added every week.